Hi everyone, my name is Salman Tahir, and today, this is our base, and this is where we do unboxing. We are going to do a lot of unboxings here with you. And today I got Nerf guns. Dig, 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 dig. And we got two ones that are for 8+. This one is called Retaliator. This one's called SergeFire. So let's unbox them and have fun. So first we're going to unbox Retaliator. So I'm going to take out the magazine and put the bullets in. So I put them in. This one goes here. This one. I made it. It's cool. It's fun to play with. Now we're gonna, after that gun, now it's time to do SergeFire. So, have a look at the front. And have a look at the sides. And now take a look at the back. Now let's unbox it. Can I unbox it? Let's unbox it. Whoa. Wow. I know we put this over here, but with the bullets. And now I gotta put all of these in the magnet. Now all of them are inside. Wait. Hey, put the phone yet. Okay. Put another one. Almost two more. Oh, that was messy. I'm just gonna put it from the side. It can't go in. And we're done. This is fun shooting the good bullets. And if you like this video, please give it a like and comment and share, and please subscribe to our channel.